Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting immediately. Sign into the same Apple ID on all devices and enable iCloud passwords. This syncs vaults across hardware. Once done, unlock with Face ID or Touch ID so you can access items quickly. Next, open the Passwords app or go to Settings Passwords. The app shows saved logins and keys. Make sure to allow autofill in Settings Passwords. That's why websites and apps will later fill credentials automatically for you. Now you'll organize and add entries. Tap Create Password to add a login, then use the built-in strong password generator to replace weak passwords. Once added, edit the entry to store usernames, secure notes, and, if applicable, two-factor authentication setup codes. This keeps recovery consolidated. Make sure to tag or place items into intuitive groups and use the search bar to locate items fast. By doing this, you reduce friction when signing in later and keep everything discoverable. Finish by confirming iCloud Sync is active on every device so updates propagate. If something fails, toggle iCloud passwords off and on to force a resync. Use the app's secure sharing to grant access to family or teammates when appropriate, and remember to revoke access when no longer needed. If entries are missing, check your trusted devices list, iCloud storage, and update the OS. Often a version mismatch prevents sync. As a last resort, sign out and sign back into iCloud after backing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.